Welcome to this week's Wicked Wild Barbecue. Today I'm going to make a beautiful slow and low Asian style barbecue pork ribs. I think most people love pork ribs and I'm no exception, especially low and slow and Asian style. Well, I like all styles, but today I'm making an Asian one. I'm in the mood for something Asian. And this is a great dish. So the beautiful ingredients for this you will need is as follows: 1 pork rib, ground nutmeg, allspice, celery powder, mustard powder, onion powder, garlic salt, ginger powder, coriander powder, beetroot salt. You can use regular sea salt or Himalayan pink salt if you like, lemon pepper, roasted cumin, brown sugar, orange zest, oyster sauce, soya sauce light, soya sauce dark, apple vinegar, minced onions, minced garlic, hickory wood smoked that I have soaked in Coca-Cola, and orange juice. Now for the dry powder mix: ground nutmeg, allspice, celery powder, mustard powder, onion powder, garlic salt, ginger powder, coriander powder, beetroot salt, lemon pepper, roasted cumin, brown sugar, and fresh pureed orange skin. So I'll leave that slow and low now. I'm going to make the barbecue sauce because I want that to cook and then cool so I'm able to spray it later. Right, so popping it on the coals. Soya sauce. Oyster sauce, soy sauce dark, ginger fresh, minced, garlic minced. Don't be shy with the garlic. Apple cider vinegar, fresh orange juice from my tree, some brown sugar. I'm going to leave that sauce on the side to cool while my ribs cook. What I'm going to do is close that up and leave it to bake low and slow, and I'm going to come back to that every half an hour to have a look and see how she goes. Wow. Wonderful. Not bad at all, folks. Rather pleased with that one. Right. Don't forget to check out some of my friends' sites. John Borden from Patio Dadio Barbecue Group. Check him out. Ali from Men of the Grill. Super wonderful recipes out there. Leon from Barbecue Life Island. And Kevin from Charcoal Only. Check all those guys out. It's all different types of barbecue on all different forms and forums. So check those brothers out for me, will you? And don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And also on Sundays, Chef Hack. Monday, Simple Chef. Simple Sherlock. Chef Stuff Made Easy. Wednesdays is Spice Kitchen. And Friday, Wicked Wild Barbecue, 4 o'clock GMT. That's London time. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder, folks. Thank you and bon appetit.